Lust is destroying you silently. You don't even realize it, but it's stealing your confidence, your discipline, your peace. Every time you give in, you become weaker. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. You can defeat lust, and it starts today. Lust isn't just about desire. It's a trap. It gives you pleasure now, but leaves you empty after. It tricks your brain into thinking you've accomplished something, when in reality, you've just drained your energy, your willpower, your drive. The worst part? It makes you a slave to your impulses. How can you build a powerful life if you can't even say no to a screen? That's not strength, that's weakness. And I know that because I've been there too. Most people don't defeat lust because they fight it the wrong way. They rely on willpower alone. But willpower fades. The truth is, you don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. You're losing because of three things. Your phone is always within reach. You scroll late at night alone with no purpose. And you never ask yourself, why am I doing this? You've wired your brain to seek dopamine from lust. To break free, you need to rewire it, not suppress it. Here's how you win. Cut off the triggers, block the sites, unfollow the accounts, lock down your access, make failure harder, replace, don't just remove, start new habits. When the urge hits, get up, take a walk, do push-ups, journal. Don't sit there and fight your mind, move your body. Understand your why. Are you lonely, bored, numb? Lust is often a mask for pain. Deal with the root, not just the symptom. Now imagine waking up with control, focused, strong. No more hiding, no more guilt, just clarity. When you defeat lust, your energy returns. Your confidence rises. You stop being led by your impulses and start leading your life. You're not weak, you're just untrained. Start today. Defeat lust. Take back your power. Because the real battle isn't out there, it's in your mind. And the good news is, you can win it.